A peaceful home environment makes a big difference in daily comfort. Whether you are relaxing after work, spending time with family, or working from home, outside noise can quickly become disruptive. Traffic, lawn equipment, neighborhood activity, and nearby construction are common sources of sound that can travel indoors. For homeowners in Rowlett, upgrading to casement windows can be an effective way to reduce outdoor noise and create a quieter, more comfortable living space. Why windows are a major source of noise. Windows are one of the most vulnerable areas when it comes to sound infiltration. Older windows or those with worn seals often allow noise to pass through small gaps around the frame. In Rowlett neighborhoods, even moderate outdoor sounds can become noticeable indoors if windows do not seal properly. Improving the window structure is often the first step toward better sound control. How casement windows create a tighter seal. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward with a crank mechanism. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame. This compression-style seal is one of the key reasons casement windows perform well in reducing noise. For Rowlett homeowners, this tight closure helps block outside sounds more effectively than windows that slide open. Minimizing gaps that let sound travel. Sound waves often enter through small openings between the window and the wall. Even tiny gaps can make a noticeable difference. Properly installed casement windows in Rowlett homes fit securely within the opening, minimizing gaps that allow noise to travel inside. The result is a more controlled indoor environment. Multi-pane glass enhances sound reduction. Many casement windows are built with multiple panes of glass separated by insulating space. This layered construction slows the transmission of sound. For homeowners in Rowlett, multi-pane casement windows soften everyday outdoor sounds before they reach interior living areas. Traffic and neighborhood noise become less intrusive. Creating quieter bedrooms and living spaces. Certain rooms benefit most from reduced noise, especially bedrooms and home offices. Casement windows help Rowlett residents create calmer sleeping environments and more productive workspaces. A quieter room improves focus, relaxation, and overall comfort. Supporting a more relaxed atmosphere. Even low-level background noise can increase stress over time. Reducing outside sounds helps create a more peaceful home atmosphere. In Rowlett homes, casement windows contribute to a quieter setting where homeowners can unwind without constant interruption from outdoor activity. Improving comfort without sacrificing ventilation. Noise reduction does not mean giving up fresh air. Casement windows can still be opened easily when ventilation is desired. Rowlett homeowners can enjoy controlled airflow during mild weather and a secure, quiet seal when the window is closed. This flexibility supports comfort in multiple ways. Long-term sound control benefits. Windows that are poorly sealed may continue to degrade over time, increasing noise infiltration. Casement windows are built for durability and tight closure. For Rowlett homeowners, this means consistent sound reduction performance year after year. A practical upgrade for everyday living. Reducing noise is not just about convenience, it's about improving quality of life. For homeowners in Rowlett, casement windows offer a practical solution for minimizing outdoor noise. Their compression seal, multi-pane construction, and secure fit work together to create quieter interiors without sacrificing style or ventilation. By upgrading to casement windows, Rowlett residents can enjoy a more peaceful home environment and greater daily comfort.